Hey, what up, Anchor holders? So what's going on, my Anchor network holder? Today video is going very special for Anchor network holder, and this is one big reason to I have one good news also in this video, and especially this is surprising video because Anchor gone very fastly up. My friends, Anchor give you a very good profit at the end of this month. I hope they make you a millionaire in this month. So guys, Anchor network latest price, you can see here the Anchor latest price is 0.167631 US dollar. Congratulations, my brother. The price is increasing day by day, hour by hour, very fastly. The market cap this time you can see here 1.173 billion. So this is going very good. And the volume you can see here this time as 140.065 US dollar million. What a brilliant man. This is absolutely gone up. Congratulations. And the volume market cap is 11.94% gone up. Congratulations. Very fast speed this time you can see here they're going up like a rocket. Congratulations, my friend. They make you millionaire. Absolutely, they give you a very good profit at the end of this month. So don't miss. If you have any plan to buy more, then I think this is good time to you buy it. Okay, this time last 24 hour you can see here rand at 35%. What a brilliant man. This time 24-hour low you can see here 0.16. The price come down to very lowly you can see here this time 0.16, but the highly you can check out 0.17. So absolutely this is very bad, very big chance, my friends. You can see here in the last hour, they gone very badly down. So I told you, my friends, in the last 1 hour US dollar you can see here 1.5% they gone down. So you can see here the last 24-hour US dollar they gone up 0.1% gone up. So this is also good. And the last 7 days they gone up 7.9%, and the last 30 days they gone up 142% gone up. So congratulations, my brother. And 1 hour BTC is 1.1% gone down, and 24-hour 2.4% gone down, and 7 days 2.1% gone down, and 30 days BTC down, BTC gone up 116% gone up. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. 1 hour Ethereum is 0.6% gone down, 24-hour 3.2% gone down, and 7 days, oh my goodness, very bad result, 11.12% gone down, and the 30 days in this week 7.8%, 78.1% gone up. Congratulations, my brother. And the monthly result has gone very good, my friend. So this is good for everyone. Let's check out the last 7 days chart. The last 7 days chart is very important, my friend. You can see here they take a very high, very badly dump this time. Very badly dump, my friends. They're going like a rocket going down, but they take a very highly jump. So this is good news for every Anchor network holder because they're going very fastly, and I hope in upcoming days they absolutely give you a good price. They absolutely very fastly hit 1 US dollar just at the end of this month. So what you say, can they can cross it 1 US dollar? I hope they cross it. My expectation is very good from that. So I hope they can cross it. What you say? So they can cross it? I hope they cross it. Please tell me in a comment box. And my friends, if you want to buy this time, absolutely good time to you buy it. Hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a very good profit. Okay, so the good news is that I do a giveaway. The giveaway is coming soon. Please complete my 10,000 subscribe and I do a giveaway. Yes, the giveaway is coming soon. Hope you subscribe our YouTube channel. Please click out the subscribe and I do a make special video for giveaway. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.